Hi there, I'm Steve, and I have no skills. Today, we're going to be putting this visor, that part of my car. That's what we're going to be doing. As you can see, the light is on, and that's bad. It's probably going to drain my battery. And this got torn off because life happens. I think it was kind of a problem with this model of Hyundai Sonata is what I'm in, that, the visors just wouldn't stay up. And so it was always kind of hanging down. And then at some point, my wife got pissed off and tore it out of the thing. So I'm going to see if I can replace it. Okay, so this piece here just kind of popped off. Take that out. I guess I'm going to unscrew these things. Also, I don't think I got the right color. I think I got beige instead of gray. Whatever. It's not important to me at all. Okay, screws are out. Just going to try to wiggle this out here, and there we go. Okay, there's just this little clip here. That seems to unclip, and now we have this right here. I'm going to plug that in. I think I need 2 hands for that. Okay, so far, easy peasy. All right, now I think I'm just going to screw this back in. Okay, got this on. Just have to kind of screw it in. Having some trouble lining up this hole, I think. But yeah, definitely got the wrong color. You could have put a gun to my head and asked me, what color is the interior of your Hyundai Sonata? And I would have said, it's beige. And I was like so certain that beige was the fucking color. Nope. Totally had it wrong. Don't know what the fuck I was thinking. This looks a little dumb, but honestly, if it keeps the sun out of my passenger's eyes and I don't have to hear any more complaints about it, that's what's important. Okay, now moment of truth. Okay, it moves the way it's supposed to move. If my car was on, maybe that light would go on. Does this go on? Yeah, there we go. Awesome. Okay. That's working, and it is staying up, which is great. Okay, all done.